Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna demonstrate access right to share the folder for the particular project using the combining of the role-based access controller and NTFS. Role-based access controller is a policy, defines the role for the users and access right. Also, NTFS stands for New Technology File System. It provides security for the file. Role-based access control has a benefit of the policy need not to be updated when a certain person with a role leaves the organization. And new employees should be able to activate the desired role. I mean my server 1, which is my domain controller. This controller provides central management to the users and computers joined to the domain. And the user and computer, they can share the resources such as the network computer information on the network. And the user is based on their role group and their job function. They have a different access right. Here are the software developed team organization unit. It has the 4 different groups. Also, here are the users. This user already joined to the particular group. Here are also special user. It is called the software developer director. This user is actually managed to the all activity for the project. So I'm gonna show briefly the membership of each group. This one is the software developer group. There are the 4 users and also the software director. Here are another group, system integrator group. Here are the 2 users and the software director. Here are also 2 project group. One is for the iOS app project group. Another is the Android project group. So there are 2 software developer, 1 integrator, 1 system architecture and data analyst is a member of this group. For iOS app projector, here are the 2 developer and also the 1 integrator and data analyst, 1 system architecture. Here are my second server, which is the file server. Here I already created this folder. There are 2 project folder inside the project folder, Android and iOS. Also the 1 brainstorming folder inside each project folder. I already made this folder share. I'm gonna briefly explain how to make the folder share. The right click and property, click the sharing and the advanced sharing, click the permission. Here I just simply this folder shared with everyone. For now you can see the network path for this. And here I'm gonna do the one more thing and go to the security tab, and you can see the minimum number of the shares and click the advanced sharing, advanced security. Usually the sharing with everyone for control. Here there were the 2 user permission. One is for the read and write execute and one is the special. But now already deleted the permission for the users because to give more secure the permission. And also I already disabled this inherited features for each user. The one thing I want to emphasize here, you can see the domain user, they have ability of the read and execute, but their ability is only allowed to this folder only, which means this ability will not be affected to the inside folders and files. Now here are the inside the project folder. I'll go back. Okay, Android project app folder, iOS app project folder. Click and go to the property. I'm not gonna do the sharing this folder because the project folder already shared, which means the folders inside this project, so they're gonna be shared automatically. But I'm gonna specify the security options for this folder. Here, as you can see, the other principal access is actually inherited from E drive of the project folder. But this for Android app project folder has to be able to the access by the Android app project group. That's why I added this group here, and the group is actually read and write and execute. And also the director, software director, also has this access right. Also same security access right implied here for the iOS app project folder. This folder is able to access by the iOS app project group and also software director. For the brainstorming folder inside the Android app project folder, other security permission inherited from the project and Android folder, but I added the one more permission, the modify ability. This means the user of this group can modify in this folder and even file any content. And I applied the same security permission to the brainstorming folder inside in the iOS app project folder. Here is my test machine. I'm gonna sign in this machine as the user, the software develop one. Here you can see the shared folder, this project folder. If you click this one, you can only see this folder because the div user one is the member of the iOS app project group. So this user that cannot see the folder, the Android app project folder. I wanna see to create any folder here. No. Okay, because I don't have any permission to create this folder. How about the inside the iOS project folder? I can see I can create any contents in this folder. Now I sign in again as the software director user, so you can see the project folder, and also you can see the both folder, Android app project folder, iOS app project folder, because the software director is be able to access to the both project folder. And also you can see, yes, you can just read. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you.